Ever felt like car insurance is a total mystery? Let's break it down in the next 3 minutes. At its heart, insurance is just a giant group project in risk sharing. You pay a small, regular fee, called a premium, into a big pool of money managed by an insurance company. That way, if you have a huge, unexpected expense, like a major car accident, the company uses that pool to cover your costs. It's a safety net that protects you from financial disaster. So, how do they decide how much you pay? It's all about risk. The insurance company looks at factors like your age, the type of car you drive, your driving record, and even where you live. If their data suggests you are more likely to file a claim, your premium will be higher. It's their way of balancing the potential cost of covering a 19-year-old with a Neo Sports car will almost always pay more than a 40-year-old with a family minivan and a perfect driving history. It's just math to them. Now, what are you actually paying for? This is where coverage types come in. Liability is the big one. It covers damage you cause to others. Collision pays to fix your own car after an accident. Comprehensive covers things like theft, fire, or storm damage. And personal injury protection can help with medical bills for you and your passengers, no matter who's at fault. Understanding these options is key, so you don't overpay for coverage you don't really need. But here's the #1 mistake that costs beginners a fortune. Not shopping around. Many people just accept the first quote they get, and insurance companies know this. They often give higher prices to first-time buyers who don't compare their options. The secret to saving hundreds, or even thousands, is to get quotes from at least 3 to 5 different providers. It takes a little time, but it forces them to compete for your business, driving your price down. By understanding that insurance is about shared risk, knowing how prices are set, and comparing your options, you can go from being confused to being a confident, savvy car owner. You will not only save money, but also ensure you have the right protection when you need it most. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple guides to your finances. See you